This laptop is so premium, it's so luxe, so trekkie, as in live long and prosper, Star Trek trekkie. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and this is our unboxing of the Asus Zenbook Edition 30. But before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel. We are giving away a Huawei Watch GT. Now, if you're curious what that is, we came up with a video a couple of weeks ago, which we will link somewhere on screen for you guys, so check it out. Now back to the Asus Zenbook Edition 30. I guess some of you guys have already seen it. I believe it was launched in Computex 2019, but I'm just gonna say it anyway. This is not the 30th iteration of the laptop. Instead, this limited edition device is in celebration of the 30th year of Asus in the industry. So, word of warning, this laptop does not come cheap. I believe it's priced just below 100,000 pesos. So, let's open up the box and find out why. Inside, there are 3 boxes and 2 of them are made out of leather with stitching that's actually a great accent. And just like the big box, the smaller ones have the Asus Edition 30 logo that reminds me so much of the Starfleet insignia. The geek girl in me is squealing. I'm a big fan of sci-fi. I particularly love Star Trek Next Gen and Voyager. So I just have to remember that this is not really a collab. They just happen to look very similar. Anyway, I'm getting off track here. Let's open the big leather box first. Inside, you'll see this gold card, which signifies that this really is a limited edition product. Then, of course, there's a laptop itself, but let's get to that later, save the best for last. And underneath, ooh, it has this nice velvety texture. Let's open it. Okay, so inside you'll see the usual stuff, the documents, warranty card, user guide, etc. Let's move on to the smaller leather box, where you will find the charging brick and cable, and a premium looking Bluetooth mouse that perfectly matches the Zenbook Edition 30. It's white with a rose gold logo. Ang ganda-ganda. Now let's get to the last of the 3 boxes, where you'll find a leather mousepad and a beautiful leather case for the laptop. I'm not sure about you guys, but as a girl, it's hard to find a laptop that looks good on me and goes well with my outfits. That's why I really love this. Now let's get to the star of this entire unboxing, the Asus Zenbook Edition 30. This must be the most beautiful laptop I've ever held in my life. The top is made out of genuine Italian leather, and the logo is made out of 18-karat gold. So guys, it doesn't just look premium, it is premium because of the materials that they used. According to Asus, this is the most compact 13-inch laptop, and it really is small. It's about the same size as an A4 paper. It's not the thinnest though, although it does have a lot of ports for connectivity. There's a power port, full-size HDMI, USB-A and USB-C. On the other side, there's a micro SD card reader, the headphone jack, and another USB-A port. One thing I like about Zenbooks is the ergo lift hinge. So when you open it, you'll notice the slight angle on the hinge. It may not seem like much, but it makes typing way more comfortable. Aside from that, it helps keep things cool because it allows air to pass through, and because the speakers are underneath, it just helps with the audio experience. If you take a look inside the laptop, you'll see that the body isn't just plain white. There's a very subtle pearlescent quality to it, and add the rose gold accents, ang lakas lang talaga makasosyal. Another notable thing about the Zenbook Edition 30 is how incredibly thin the bezels are. It has a full HD nano edge display with a screen-to-body ratio of 95%. Despite that though, there's still enough room for an IR camera on top. While the laptop is primarily white with rose gold accents, you'll notice that the touchpad is, well, black. Let's turn it on so you'll see why. The touchpad serves as a second screen. Asus calls it a screen pad, and while we've seen this in their other laptops in the past, there are some improvements in this one. Now you can maybe watch YouTube or listen to music while you work on the main screen, and in my case, it may be useful as a number pad. I miss number keys when using a small laptop, and this just takes care of that. Now let's turn the screen pad off and move on to the internals, which we will just flash on screen. base it off the specs, then this tiny, pretty thing should be able to handle the usual office workload. Although I've heard people say that you can game and edit with it. I've yet to try it out. Although in my head, if you'll be editing a lot, you probably need a laptop with a bigger screen just to save your eyes. According to Asus, again, the Asus Zenbook Edition 30 starts at 99,995 pesos, and there are only 30 units available in the Philippines. So if you like it and you have the cash, you better act fast. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me in this video. What do you guys think of the Asus Zenbook Edition 30? Ang ganda, no? Does it not just remind you of Star Trek? I'm sorry, I keep on going back to that. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. Before I sign off, here's a quick reminder to join our giveaway. Give this video a like, sub to the channel, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Live long and prosper. Bye!